You hurt me, baby. Well, at least it's raining. You know what that means? I can go ahead and cry in the rain. We are here in one of the fruit stands in Sampaloc, Tanay. And let me show you some of the delicious fruits that we have here. There's different kinds of bananas. There's like locally Latundan and Lakatan. So these are native bananas, not like the ones that are in the United States that we consume, like the Dole, which are really like giants. So these are ripened and have more mineral content. Then we have here the papaya. Papaya is delicious. At the back we got like watermelon, so you can see inside the papaya. Then we have green mangoes. This is the Calabao variety of green mango. We have ripe mangoes. We have apples. These are imported ones, and these are grapes. Those are oranges. The locals are these lemons are imported. Those are avocados or aguacatel, or we use for guacamole. Rambutan, one of the popular fruits now. We have guyabano or sour sop. Oh, these are melons or honeydew. These are yams. So pretty much these are the vegetable fruit selection here. When it comes to this is santol. I don't know the English. Got ginger. Ano to? Upo, patola. Patola. Got squash, eggplant, cucumber, gabi or taro. This is durian. Marang, I'm not sure. It's pineapple, little pineapple. So pretty much that's the selection here. September 3 na. Ito si Lola, nagpapaaraw. Ito naman si EJ, machong macho. Gaayos ng mga road bike. Ng road bike para magamit. Nasa si Tox? Oy! Papakitaan mo kami. Gugas naman kami. Ito mga kapusaan dito. Ito. Si C3. C2 the third. In short, C3. Yung road bike na kailangang ma-maintenance. Si Lola, sarap ang sikat ng araw ngayon. Tamang tama. Ano to? Lagkit Lagkit dun Walo? Okay. 4. Kailangan yan, naka-forma pa yan, naka-t-shirt pa. Yan, walang daya yan. Cinco. 6, 7, 8. Yan, oh. Panalo. Ako ano lang, populap lang ako. No? Yan ang simple. Kayang-kaya ni Tox. Simple lang ang buhay.
Gumagano na ako tiga na eh. Hindi ko na masyadong kayang tuwid yung una.
Nakakatok ba? Hi Lola. Here is my simpleng ulam. Beef caldereta topped on rice. Some chili. Banana. And what am I gonna drink? Got my guayabano juice. Yeah. It's good. Okay, let's eat. This is my Filipino breakfast. Not so Filipino. I got guacamole, homemade. Because we got avocados here in Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. These are the avocado seeds. So, guacamole. Then we have scrambled egg. We had onions, garlic, pepper, mushroom, 2 eggs. And pretty much that's it. That's for breakfast. This is for my lunch today. Guacamole. A piece of Doquito fried chicken from Andox with its gravy. So this is Andox. Lechon, manok. But they also have fried chicken. Bought here in Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. So this is my homemade guacamole and rice. This is the gravy. Nagpapa-boneless kami ng bangus. Boneless na siya. Yung mga isda. 280 na ang kilo ng bangus. September 7. Apat 5. Para sagana tayo sa okra.
Gusto mo yung mga quarter, yung mga parang legs?
Sito, mong ganda rin yung tali niya. May kulay violet.
Ano ba yung tawag dyan? May pinabutong na baka, may laman, may pamparos. Kung gusto mo.
Ayos. Ano? Malunggay naman ang binibili. Ay, maganda-ganda. Maliliit.
Ito boss, dalawang tali. Plastic pa natin. Oo.
10 piso. Nabili rin kami ng sitaw. Konting sitaw. Talong dito na rin. 8. Mamimili kami. Lakatan ba latundan? Pinipili natin. Kano sa manggang ngayon? 230. Mahal na, no?
Nakita yung kalabasa.
Ano? Kalabasa. Tama na ba yan?
Magkano to?
Kalabasa.
70.
Tumbang.
33 po.
Kulang pa yan. Sarap madama kalabasa. Kano na ang palaya? 120?
Okay, sa maliit lang.
Pwede na yan? O, isang malaki.
Ha?
Okay na yan? Sa tansya mo?
Papayit naman.
Okay, pwede na yan. Okay, kung magaling timpla. 26. Sinigang na baboy. El liempo. Paborito ng Pilipino. With vegetable. Okra. Kangkong. Labanos. Sitaw. The best in the West. And we're gonna eat it with sile and patés. Yeah. Here in Sampaloc, Tanay Rizal. EJ's Cooking. Alright, dumating na DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro na in-order ni EJ sa kanyang TikTok account shopping, no? Kasi ayaw. So titingnan natin, lit lang ng box niya, no? Ito yung adventure combo.
Ito yung mismong cam, accessories,
Galing ng packaging nila, no?
extension rod.
Wow! Galing. Ito yung adventure combo na may
Ito accessories, yung kanyang mount, type C to type C cable, sticker,
yun, no?
yung kanyang batteries with case.
Wow! May case pa, no? 3 batteries yan. Adventure combo, no? Talagang yun, no? 3, wow! Bihira na nakapag-adventure. Ganda naman ng sticker.
May card pa sila.
May card pa, oh.
Ano ba ito rin sila ito? Ito na. Ito yung case, may mount din nata dyan.
Wow! Nakita natin mamaya.
Ito na yung camera, maliit lang din pala, compact.
Galing, no? Ang gawa nila yan. Ibang level. Wow!
Ito na, Action 5.
You know, Action 5. Wow! Di na biro yan. Galing. Action 5, no? Long battery. Yan, maganda na yan. Makikita natin ang resulta niyan bukas pagka ginamit.
Ito yung kanyang case.
Grabe, no?
Yan, andito pa pala ibang mount.
Wow, may mount pa
Screw.
ulit. Galing.
Additional mount.
Wow. Yung mount niya talagang open air, no?
Ito yung case.
Okay lang yan. Kahit pagka nagbabike, no?
Waterproof yan eh.
Yung ito mismo, waterproof na?
Oo.
Hindi ka nagbibiro, ha?
Oo.
Tunay ka. Galing, no? Isipin mo, mismo camera, waterproof. Ibang level yan. Ano natin, no? T-biro, gang. Tsaka solid na solid siyang hawakan. Tapos, ito kasama ni 64 gig na for micro SD. B30, A2, U3, no? Mabilis. Panalo. Sama pa.
Tanggalin na. Tanggalin.
Yun.
Ito SD card, dito battery.
Yun. Galing. Ngayon, itong mga battery, kailangan pa fully charge muna to bago gamitin. No?
Para sigurado nga yan.
Pagka ganyan, hindi pa full yan, no?
Hindi. May karga
So,
lang. Hindi
sa
naman-
charger lang natin nun, ikakabit sa, pwede ba yung sa charger ng phone? Yung high speed.
Tapos multifunctional case. Hindi naman.
5 volts, 10 volts, 3 amperes. Input, made in China, so 15 amperes. 3 amperes. 1 ampere, 5, 15. 15 watts. 15 watts sa charger. So, pwede yung sa mga extension.
Okay.
Ito ang hamburger na galing sa Shake Shack. Nilagyan ko lang ng sibuyas. Yan, pwede na yan. What is that, sir? Oh, this is my salad. It has S&R rotisserie chicken breast that I fried once again in butter. It's got cucumber, lettuce, and hard-boiled eggs. And then I use my special yogurt salad dressing with special ingredients to make this special kind of salad. Your anti-aging probiotic salad. Only here in Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. Get it now. Meron tayong sinaing na isda, fried chicken, embutido, parang menudo to. May sisig, at may sinigang na baboy na walang sabaw. Hindi tayo kumuha ng sabaw. Wala tayong rice. Okay muna. It's good. Hi Lola! Kakain na kayo?
Ay, na tayo.
Naamoy nyo, may sausawan ba si Lola niyan?
Ano yan, Lola?
Ewan.
Ano yun?
Babati ako sa...
Yan, no?
Barbecue.
Galing talaga ni Lola.
Tignan nyo nga kung masarap.
Masarap ba, Lola?
Yan no? Wow.
Ay, meron pa
Ando.
isa.
Yan no? Kaganahan si Lola. Kami naman, chicken. Fried chicken naman kami. Yan no? Yan ang andoks. Paborito ni Lola, 98 years old. At mahilig sa barbecue, baboy. Ito naman ang ulam namin. Fried chicken, Doquitos. Wow! Ano? Hindi na tayo talo dyan. May itlog na maalat. Subukan din yan.
Saka bumili ito ng maalat.
Doon. Alright, what are we cooking here? This is tenderloin steak straight out of Tagaytay. Marinated by Tita Vicky. I'm frying it for lunch. And I'm gonna cook my fried rice with this leftover rice. Garlic fried rice. That's for lunch, September 16. Alright, next we're frying our egg. We already fried our steak. Now the egg. We'll add some sea salt to the egg. Bam 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 bam. There, some sea salt. That's good enough. Alright. We're done with the egg. Put in the garlic. And then we'll put in the rice. And then we're gonna have garlic fried rice. Oops. Turn up the heat. That's what I'm supposed to do. Alright, now I'm cooking. This is our simple lunch. Steak, sinangag, and itlog. In short, steak silog. Steak from Tagaytay. Tenderloin. So, it's pretty good. Fried rice and egg here in Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. And kape. Very good, very good, very good. Ito, saranghe. Ito ang 25 pesos lang na giant cone twirl with sweet waffle. Sige, insan, baka patong muna dyan. Itong aming almusal, saranghe. Maaga pa eh.
May dalawa na siya.
So we have here pakbet, bopis,
papaitan, rice, and chili oil, and pineapple juice. Alright, that's what we will have for brunch, before continuing riding our bicycle. We're here at the top of kilometer 90, so we're still walking on to the top so we can get to the peak. All right, this is what I call a view. See there? It's Laguna de Bay. Here's we're in Quezon. This is the view from the peak of kilometer 90 here in Infanta, Quezon. So you can see there, that's Laguna de Bay. It's kilometer 90. So it takes a lot of steps, but it's all good. Let's go down now. Alright, so I'm checking out the receipt from what I ate yesterday in kilometer 90 eatery there right after the arch. So one pakbet 95, one papaitan I think that's 180, one pineapple juice 40, one bopis 135. Seems like the addition here was short by 100 pesos. 10, 1 carry 1, 10, 7, 15 carry 1. Alright, 9, 18, 20. Yeah, it's short by 100. Then 40 for rice, so 390. It's supposed to be 490. So I might just return there and bicycle again, and get back the take back the 100 pesos that was missing. Today is Thursday, September 18. It's a beautiful day here in Sampaloc, Tanay, Rizal. So, be riding my bicycle again later for exercise. Alright. Ito ang laing ni Tita Sita. Ang napakasarap. Makakalimutan ko na pangalan ko. Ito ang torta. Talong. Sarap-sarap. Yum. Ito. Walang diet ngayon. Walang bicycle ngayon. Tapos,
kumain ka rin nga mo kanina na kami.
opo, luluto pa si Tita Vicky ng yung laing. Wow, oh my gosh. Yung takip nito,
Bukas ano, mechado.
matakipan.
Niluluto naman ako mechado.
Walang sinabi yung mga first class na restaurant. Sa mga hotel, pag sa lutong bahay, the best. Mga luto ni Tita Sita, Tita Vicky, wow. Okay, we will unbox this. This is from, supposed to be the thing for the mount. Ellison double clamp mount. Okay, as you can see. Man. All right. Caldereta beef cooked by Tita Vicky. Tender. Tastes good, really sweet. Tamis. Wow. Parang dessert. Kamarinam-nam. Sarap. Ito, pickle. Nagpapatamis. Tunaw na yung taba. Gusto ko talaga yung Batangas style, yung walang kamatis. Malinamnam yung dating. Maasim kasi. Ito lang kakainin. Dahil di ako nakontento sa caldereta. Hindi ko masyadong matamis eh. So tayo maglalaing original. Laing. Para hindi dessert yung ulam. Sarap. Sili.
Ito. Para may tinik. Ito. Tipak ng baboy. Yan po. Kaun ng kaulan sa Bagyo. Laing is so good. The best laing. Very good. We are here in Kabsat Marilaki Extension. That's the main Kabsat right there on the other side. And we're just gonna have a break of New York cheesecake and coffee. Americano. Served by the beautiful Miss. The official of Kabsat. You know, thank you. Wow. With official Kabsat water. Filtered 4 times. Yun. Ganda ang tanawin dito. Nandito kami ngayon sa Y&A Kainan. Sa Y&A Kainan kami kakain at tutumisa namin ang kanilang bulalo. Good for 2 dahil try lang kami nagbabike. Hirap magbike ng gutom. Maganda ang view din eh. Y&A at may tinda rin silang goat caldereta, goat papaitan, may goto Batangas, kung ano-ano pa, sinampalukang pata. Talagang matutuwa kayo sa kanilang menu at affordable pa ang price dito sa Y&A Kainan. Maganda ang view, hindi kayo talo dito. Parine na ala ay. Ito ang aming in-order. Isang rice at saka bulalo. Tingnan nga natin ang kanilang bulalo. Doon, may litid. Uy, may laman. May bawang. Mukhang malasa. Meron kaming kalamansi at sili. Sibugan na. Ay pala, ipatis. Sa likod.